Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So my gorgeous client Kaylee has come in and I'm just showing you in real time again that extra coarse ball bit in action, just on full speed on my efile and just dragging it down and taking away that old design, and it literally did it in seconds. It just has taken off so much time from my removals. I just absolutely love it. If you don't own it, go and get it. So I'm basically I've sanitized her hands, I've sanitized my hands, and now I'm using this bit to remove all the old design, like the top coat, the design, the layers. It's all acrylic, so we're just using that to file back down to that clear base. And as it starts getting like further to that clear base, I kind of just tickle the e-file then, because I don't want to go in too hard and then end up removing or snapping off the tip. So this client had quite a bit of lifting going on this hand. I did put a post on the CJP group just explaining that on her other hand there was hardly any lifting at all, and on the three fingers on like the four of this hand, so the ring, the middle and the index, all had quite extensive lifting. And the reason is because she works on a keypad typing all day, and just after a certain amount of time, it just added pressure on those nails, and those nails had lifted a little bit. So I just wanted to let people know that it's not always something we've done, it's not always something they've done. Sometimes it just happens, and it's just one of them. Anyway, I've prepped all of her natural nails now, obviously cleaned, took away all the lifting, blended in the old acrylic, did my prep work around the cuticle, etched the nail plate, fresh growth, and now I'm using apple shine and amor just to create an ombre on that baby finger there. This nail I'm just going to infill with crystal glass, and I'm just using dehydrator before each nail. The reason that I do this is because I'm using the one monomer, so it doesn't require a primer. So I just like to remove that pH, like remove the oils and sort that pH balance out just before I apply the acrylic. So I apply the dehydrator, allow it to dry and go chalky white, and then I'll go in with my acrylic. So on that ring finger I've just put a clear layer because we are going to go back and add some glitter onto this nail. And on this middle finger it's just going to be a full nail of apple shine. So just pick up quite a large bead, place at the cuticle, kind of tilt the finger downwards, and then use a tip of my brush to like tap it in around the cuticle, around the side, and just swipe it down the side, and then just start walking that bead down to cover the entire nail. So on this finger here, I'm going in again and just doing another ombre. So I'm placing apple shine at the tip, blending that down onto the nail plate. So just use that tip of my brush to like soften that line and blend it in, and then I'll start using the body of my brush to kind of walk that bead down to create our shape. And then just wipe off any excess and just faff around, patting it for years. I like to do as much work with my brush though, so filing is a minimal because it's just a chore, the filing is. It's not a bit that I enjoy. I enjoy seeing the finished, fresh, sharp result, but filing is not one of my favourite things to do. So I always try and stroke it out and flatten it out as much as I can with my brush, so I don't have to do a lot of work with my file. So I'm coming in with amor now, placing it at the cuticle, using the tip of my brush again to blend it in. I blend it down the sidewall, and then I come over the front and just tickle the front of that bead down onto that apple shine to create my blend. And then on the thumb, it's just going to be another full nail of Apple Shine. I've also left the other hand in, so I'm just going to kind of cut off now because I don't want to talk the whole way through and bore you all. So I'm just going to let you watch. Yeah, enjoy, and I'll come back when I need to. So what I do now is I go back and encapsulate all of the nails that need encapsulating, so the ombre nails, before I go in and apply glitter, and it just saves getting glitter all in the nails. We don't want glitter in. These nails were for my client. She is getting married in Jamaica and her like theme is mint green, so this is why she had these nails for her wedding. So on this ring finger, I'm using Snow Globe from CJP. So this is just like a really fine, goldy, silvery, shimmery premixed glitter, which I adore. It would look absolutely beautiful over white. But I'm going to come in with chunkier glitter over the top, and I'm using the multi-cut Silver Shine from the Glitter Fairy. Just placing that with a small bead of crystal glass, and then just nudging it around that nail till I'm happy. And then I'll do the exact same on the other hand. And then I will cap them, file them, shape them, clean away all the dust, and then top coat the nails. So once I've top coated, she'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I almost didn't record me top coating. As you can see, I'd already done the pinky. And then thought, oh God, I better start recording. I just missed the best bit. Yeah, she'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when she comes out, I'll apply cuticle oil around her cuticles just to replenish everything we've dehydrated out prior to application. And I have left a clip at the end for you to see the final result and a picture, because I just absolutely adore these. Oh, apple shine is my favourite colour ever. I love you all so much. I'm definitely getting back into the swing of recording more again. Hallelujah. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye bye.